Hello all, today we will study about the gram staining in the bacteria. The latest video was about the structures of the bacteria, different shapes of the bacteria. Not structure, different shapes of the bacteria. Today we will study about the gram staining in the bacteria. There are two types of bacteria is there. Gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria is there, gram negative bacteria is there. If this is the bacteria, then what makes it differentiate between the gram positive and gram negative? If this is the cell, it consists of the cell wall. This is the plasma membrane, if this is the cell wall, this is made up of multiple layer of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is thick in the case of gram positive bacteria. It is very much thick in the case of gram positive bacteria. In the gram negative bacteria, peptidoglycan is thinner. Peptidoglycan is thinner. In the case of gram negative bacteria, peptidoglycan is thinner. Look here, this is thicker, this is thinner. So in gram positive bacteria, more peptidoglycan but less lipid content. Less lipid content and more peptidoglycan. But in the case of gram negative, less peptidoglycan but more lipid content. That is the major difference between these two. This having more lipid content in gram negative, this less lipid content. Okay. So now how can we differentiate? By staining we can differentiate between this. Also in gram positive, in the peptidoglycan, what is present? This is made up of peptidoglycan. What is present is in gram positive, teichoic acid is present. Teichoic acid is present. In gram negative, no teichoic acid. Okay, in gram positive, teichoic acid is present in the peptidoglycan. In gram negative, no teichoic acid. So, upon the physical and the chemical composition, we can differentiate between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Now, we will do the procedures. Different steps are there for the procedures. How we can differentiate is that, suppose we are taking a bacteria. First, we have to fix the slide. We are fixing the slide. Second, we will stain it by crystal violet. Crystal violet is the stain we are using for the staining. We will stain it with the crystal violet. Then make it stand for 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. It should be stand there. Then we will wash it with the water. Then wash it with the water. The fourth step is what we are going to do is stain it with the gram iodine solution. Gram iodine solution. Gram iodine means this is also a counter stain. This is the counter stain we are giving. Second stain we are using. Keep it for 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next step is wash it with the alcohol. Wash it with the acetone, all the alcohol. What happens is that now after putting gram iodine solution, it will be purple in color. Then wash it with the alcohol. So those bacteria which retains the purple color is gram positive bacteria. The bacteria which retains the purple color after washing with alcohol is the gram positive bacteria. The bacteria which do not retain the purple color is gram negative bacteria. So got it? First we have to fix the bacteria in the slide. Then we are making it in with the stain crystal violet. Keep it for 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then wash it with water. Then we are applying gram iodine solution. This is the second stain we are using, counter stain. Then what happens is that purple color will be produced. Then wash it with the alcohol. Keep it there 1 minute, then wash it with the alcohol. So some bacteria will remain purple, some bacteria will not have purple color. So those bacteria which retains the purple color is called gram positive bacteria. Those bacteria which do not retain the purple color is called gram negative bacteria. So by this technique we can differentiate between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Also this method, this gram negative bacteria. So this is the gram positive bacteria with the purple color, positive bacteria. This is the gram negative bacteria which don't have the purple color. So what we will do is, this gram negative bacteria again we can apply safranin safranin solution. So this becomes red in color. So bacteria is red in color now. So only safranin is applied in the gram-negative bacteria. So in the positive bacteria, we will apply only crystal violet and gram iodine solution. Gram-negative bacteria only have safranin. So it will become red in color. Okay, so this technique was performed by Hans Christian Gram. Scientist Hans Christian Gram. This technique was performed by the Hans Christian Gram. That is why it is given the name gram staining in the bacteria. So this can be differentiated. So what happens in gram negative is less peptidoglycan but more lipid content is there. So when we apply the crystal violet, it will not be able to reach up to the cell wall because of the lipid content. That is the major differences. So this is the gram positive is purple. Those bacteria which do not have the purple solution and we can be treat with safranin, then becomes red color, is called the gram negative bacteria. Thank you.